Wendia na uguri wa bangi matuura-ini ngurani kaunti-ini ya Kiambu utuikite mutugo wa o muthenya undu uria ucungiriirie honge cia ugitiri gutashukia makinya amu thuguri no riu ni kirukite mihaka. Mwerekera uria uheanitwo ni kaunti kamanda wa kaunti no kuri Maabithaa a borithi ni kuhungura kona ciothe cia kaunti ino kuria marekuirwo wendia wa bangi na guikia marekuirwo ngono.
Na kutakuwa msamaha kwa mtu yote. Tukikamata ukiuza bangi, hii hatuna huruma na wengine wao wanatumia watoto wadogo sana kati ya miaka 10 wengine miaka 12 wao wenyewe watumia watoto yao wanatumia watoto wa watu wengine kwenda kuuzia watu.
Ica ikuhi Maabithaa a borithi ni mahithukirie bangi ya muigana wa ciringi 156 mwena wa Gatundu na marekuirwo guikio ngono. Riri bangi ingi ya muigana wa ciringi milioni 1.5 yahithukirio tauni-ini ya Kiambu ona gutuika marekuirwo maikio ngono macokire kurekererio ni igoti na bodi.
I would like to thank members of public sincerely. They have been revealing a lot of information to us, and with this one we are going to win the war against narcotic drugs within this area. Secondly, I want to thank this multi-agency team. This is our second recovery in Kiambu County.
Maabithaa a borithi oho ni mayukitie boda igiri iria marekuirwo kuhuthika wendi-ini wa bangi.
Kuna suspect mmoja na iko wengine pia wamekamatwa, na mwenye boda hiyo mmoja alitoroka, lakini hizo boda pia tutazipeleka mahakamani pamoja na hiyo bangi.
Kumwe gwa kuria kugwetetwo gukorwo ari ugwati ni Juja, Kiadutu na Gatong'ora.
Then we have other areas within Kiambu, that is Kanunga, areas of Githunguri and also Udhiro. So let them not hide themselves thinking that we do not know where they are hiding, and we are going to sniff them out.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Wadurwo.